Okay, good morning, students. Sorry for the disturbance for this day because I will be busy now. Okay, so our topic for today is all about the problem solving, inductive and deductive reasoning. So first is let's discuss what is inductive and deductive reasoning. So inductive reasoning is very important or very important in mathematics because inductive reasoning is used to develop theories and hypotheses from data, and this inductive reasoning is a bottom up, no, so from the bottom going to up, so parang hagdanan, and yung deductive reasoning is parang top down naman siya. Okay, so parang sa taas then pababa. Okay, so um, first is what is a problem. So a problem, it is a statement that requiring a solution, and usually by means of a mathematical operation and geometric construction. So pag merong problem po is meron yang mga different or solution, and it requires a solution. In mathematics, so pag merong one problem dyan, so it requires a different methods or different solution, and it come up with one single answer. Okay, so what is a problem solving and what is a problem sol first, bago tayo sa problem solving, what is a problem solving, no? Problem solving is a process, an ongoing activity in which we take what we know that to discover what we don't know. So process yan, no? In an ongoing activity. Pag method naman is means that the way or techniques used to get answer which will usually involve one or more problem solving strategies. So in a problem solving po, process na on how to solve that one problem. Pag method na po, different techniques on how to deal that problem. And it will come up with as one single solution or one single output or answer. Okay, that be the definition of a problem solving. So problem solving involves three basic functions. First is seeking information, generating new knowledge, making decisions. So in a problem solving po, 'di ba? So meron tayong problem dito, no. Example lang, pagpasok nyo sa industry, 'di ba? Hindi kayo makapasok sa industry pag hindi kayo graduate ng college, 'di ba? So mas mauna talaga yung senior high school yung college graduate kaysa senior high school graduate. So with that, magsik kayo ng information bakit hindi makapagpasok ang mga senior high school graduates sa may industry because meron pang mga natitirang or mga bahaw na college graduate. So that maka-generate kayo ng knowledge na dapat mag-aral muna ng college bago makapasok, and you make a decision. You are going to enroll, you are enrolled, no. So mathematical reasoning, so it is a refer to the ability of a person to analyze a problem situation. That would be your tactics, on how to analyze different problem situation and how to construct a logical arguments and to justify the process or hypothesis. And after that, you create both conceptual foundations and connections in order for him or her to be able to process the information. Analyze yan tactics mo yan on how to deal, how to analyze that problem. Okay. So inductive reasoning is the process of reaching a general conclusion by examining a specific example. Pag inductive po, class, mag-start po tayo sa bottom. Bottom to up. So it means mag-examine muna tayo sa specific example, no? Specific, take note examining specific example bago to reach the general conclusion or yung generalization. Okay? So, in two words, specific to generalization or bottom up approach. Yan. So, yan po ang inductive. So, for example, in this problem, 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15. So, what is the next number? So, this statement is unspecific, example. So what's the next number? So the next number will be 18, no. So each successive number is 3 larger than the preceding number, Thus, we predict that the next number in the last, no, is 3 larger than 15, so which is 18. No, merong pattern na 3. No, add first number, add by 3, and the next number you get the 6, no, and so on. So 1, 3, 16, 15. So next number is 21. So the first two number differ by 2. The second number differ by 3, 4, 5, and yung 6 ang kasunod. So 15 plus 6 is 21. So since 10 and 15 differ by 5, we predict that the next number in the last will be 6 larger than 15, which is 21. So, kasunod naman, use inductive reasoning to make a conjecture, no? So consider the following procedures. To pick a number, multiply the number by 8 and add 6. The product divide add 6 to the product and divide the sum by 2 and subtract by 3. So use inductive reasoning to make a conjecture. So mag-make the conjecture dari class. So original number natin is 5. So pick a number, multiply 5 by 8. So 5 times 8 is 40. Add 6 to the product. So 40 plus 6 is 46. Then divide the sum by 2. Okay, 46 divided 46 po ito ha. 46 divided by 2 is equal to 23. So 23 minus 3 is equal to 20. Okay, next naman is use inductive reasoning to solve an application. So itong pendulum po class is discovered by Galileo Galilei. Okay, isang string lang po ito. So pag i-swing down mo siya, na siya ka ng time, no? The time it takes for the pendulum to swing from left to right and back to its original position. So pag length po is 1 unit, yung heartbeat niya, no? Or yung period niya is take 1 heartbeat, no? Pag 4 naman, maging 2. Pag maging 9 naman, maging 3. And 16, magiging 4. And 25, magiging 5. And 36, magiging 6. O yan. Di ba merong pattern? Square lang po ng number. No? Or the square root of the length, no? To get its period. So, ngayon, ipapendulum sa length of 49. What is its period? Di ba? Square root of 49 is 7. So, in the table, each pendulum has a period that is the square root of its length. Thus, we conjecture that a pendulum with a length of 49 units will have a period of 7 heartbeats. No? If the length of a pendulum is quadrufold, so maging quadrufold, maging 16 na po ang iyang length. No? Then, ang period niya is 4. So, counterexample, no? It is a statement that is a true statement provided that is true in all cases. If you can find one case for which a statement is not true, called a counterexample, then the statement is a false statement. So, laktog ng istorya na counterexample is, meron tayong mga example dyan. Pag merong maling examples, counter yan, no? Maging false statement na siya. For example, every number that is multiple of 10 is divisible by 4. So, lahat daw ng numbers multiple by 10 is divisible by 4. So, as you can see in this example, no? So, 100, 110. So, di ba, based on this example, no? Ano po ang mga number niya na hindi kasali na or cannot be divided by 4? Di ba, si 110? Di mo naman divide. 130, 150, 170, and 190. So, it makes decimal, no? Ayan. A counter example yan, no? Okay, counter example yan. So, for all number x, so, absolute value of x greater than 0, counter example po ito. Because, absolute value of 0 is equal to 0. 0 is greater than 0. Diba, dili? Oh, no. Big no yan, no? So, it means counter example yan. Next naman, for all number x squared is greater than x. Pag yung x natin is magiging 1, then 1 squared is equal to 1. Sure ba na 1 is greater than 1? Diba no? Yan, counterexample yan. Ito is counterexample po ito, no? Next naman is the deductive reasoning. So, itong deductive reasoning is in two words ha, top-down lang po ito. From top going to down. So, nag-start po siya into general, no, conclusion and general. So after that is mag-apply ka ng specific example. So general statement to specific example. Top down approach. So it means, ito, di ba? General problem po ito eh. Oh, statement. If a number is divisible by 2, then it must be even. So, general statement yan. Then, apply ka ng specific example. Okay? So, example po ito, 12 is divisible by 2. Therefore, 12 is an even number. Example yan. Ito po ang mga example ng um, this, no, no, deductive reasoning. Ito, general statement po ito. If angle A is an angle B are supplementary angles, their sum is 180 degree. Example, 100. If yung angle A is 100 degree, angle B is measured 80 degrees, so 100 plus 80 is 180. So, example yan eh. Okay. And, general statement po ito sa taas. Ito, pick a number, multiply the number by 8. So, mag-pick tayo ng number, 8 times n, multiply by 8, add 6 to the product, so 8n plus 6. Then after that, divide the sum by 2. So 8n plus 6 divided by 2. Our resulting part is 4n plus 3. So 4n plus 3 minus 3 is equal to 4n. So we started no in n, no, and ended with 4n. So the procedure given in this example produces a number that is 4 times the original number. Yung original number is naging n, then naging 4 times na siya. Ito is mga example ng deductive reasoning. So commonly used in geometry. 'Di ba ito yung mga general statement natin no, or generalization. And specific example po ito. Given is 3 quantity of x plus 4 minus 2x equals 20. Given yan. Using the distributive property, general statement yan or generalization. So, just multiply no, or distribute 3 times x, 3 times 4, negative 2x, bring down lang po, is equal to 20. Distributive property, commutative property is combine like terms. Closure property, okay, to closure na no, to get the final answer na no, approaching to final answer. Yan, and that will be the example of deductive reasoning. So ngayon, how to answer this one, no? So, during the past 10 years, a tree has produced plums every other year. Last year, the tree did not produce plums. Okay, so, this year, the tree will produce plums. Ito po, class, is first, first sentence and second sentence, no, is example po yan. Okay, ito po ang generalization niya. So, this year, the tree will produce plums. So, inductive reasoning. So, start po ng specific example and going to generalization. Last example, all home improvements cost more than the estimate, no? The contractor estimated that my home improvement will cost $35,000. Thus, my home improvement will cost more than $35,000. All home improvements is ano yan? All home. Generalization, di ba? Generalization. And ito po is example. So, it means deductive po ito. So, and that would be all for this week. And goodbye.